Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing a lace wig and it's in this box. It's from LuvMe here and I'm just gonna go right into it and see what we got. So this inside of this box that came in there is a hairbrush and this is what it looks like. Everything has their name on it, just so y'all know, so we know who it's from. LuvMe here, of course. We got a mesh bag to store the hair in, stocking cap or wig cap. That's the only thing that really doesn't have their name on it. And here we go. This is the wig. I'm not sure if this wig is a glueless wig. I believe it might be I believe you might be able to wear it glueless, but for me I had to glue it on the sides only. I did not glue the top of it, so y'all will see how I do that. So this is what it looks like. It's a bob wig and it is so gorgeous. I had to put it on right away just to check it out. The nuts aren't bleached, so that's something I'm gonna have to do. It's not pre-plucked either, but since it's a bob wig and I'm gonna be wearing it down, I'm not gonna be plucking the sides. So here we go. I took it back off because I didn't really show you guys much about it. So it has two clips in the sides, one in the back, and it does come with an adjustable strap. As you can see there, you could adjust it to fit onto your head, perfectly. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Perfect wig for the summer if you ask me. So I'm gonna go ahead and darken the shade of my stocking cap using this bronzer that I have here from Morphe. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig back on. So I cut the lace off of the wig before putting it on because I wanted to see if it was glueless, because I wasn't sure. As you can see, I could actually get away with wearing it like this, but I did not want to do so because just in case, you're walking outside and the wind blow, you don't want nothing to be showing at the sides. So that's the reason why I went ahead and secured the sides down. But as for the front, it looks really natural without me adding any kind of glue or gel or adhesive to it. So like I said, I'm only gonna be holding down the sides and I'm gonna be using my got to be glued styling gel today to do so. So I'm pinning the hair away so I don't have too much hair in my way when I'm doing it. This is the gel I'm gonna be using today to hold it down. Like I said, it's my got to be ultra glued. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it onto the sides, and then I'm going to use a blow dryer to kind of dry it down before putting the lace down on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and dry it some more. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with this side. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this very thin elastic band to tie it down and allow it to dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and tame the hair and comb it how I want it to frame my face. And to tame it, I'm going to be using my Edge Effects Edge Wax Stick. Now I'm going to use the hot comb over it, and this is going to really help to lay the hair down exactly how I want it. Then I went over it with my flat iron just to straighten it out, and this will help to, lay the hair how I want it, and like I said, frame my face exactly how I want it. I was having so much fun with this hair. Look at me there. Don't mind me. This is how good the hair makes me feel right now because the hair is so nice. It's bouncy, as you can see. It's so full of body, and I'm not even done going through it with the flat iron. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the elastic band off because I feel like the hair is dry enough now. I love the way it's looking. It's gelled down perfectly, and so I'm gonna just go ahead and dab some of that bronzer over the lace or over where the glue is, just to make everything blends out. And now I'm basically finished with the hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and go do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So I'm back, y'all, but look at the hair. It looks a little bit different from when we left off, and that's because I added a little bit of curls into the front of it. It was just looking too plain, which plain isn't too bad. It still did look good, but I just wanted to, do something a little bit different with it. And I think I like it so much better this way. I mean, maybe you don't, but I do. The hair itself is amazing. I can definitely see myself wearing it over and over again. I was having so much fun with it, believe me. Again, the wig is from LuvMe here, and all the information will be in the description box below, along with my discount code, which I will be leaving on the screen anyway. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!